The Campus Edge modular system can support you in mastering these challenges. So, what's in the box? Let's view the campus as a defined geographical area. This can be a production plant or logistics hub, a hospital, a retail store, or a hotspot in a city. For this campus, we created a dedicated connectivity network based on the requirements for operating the campus. 5G gives us new capabilities around data volumes and signaling rates. Due to the demands that digitalization raises, current technologies will soon reach their limits. With 5G, Deutsche Telekom can offer you an exclusive part of their network with guaranteed performance parameters. Implementing 4G, industrial Wi-Fi, and wired connectivity could still be taken into consideration. The Edge is a high-performance computer, heart and mind of the digitalization of a campus, as it were. There is a local cloud ecosystem set up on the Edge, which is connected to a cloud which functions and data are shared and directly connected to the communication network for this purpose. T-Systems can integrate with the usual cloud ecosystems, but has also developed a special solution, Edge Air, which offers high performance and data security in line with European data security guidelines. This forms the basis which enables you to use and develop applications which make your campus even more efficient than it is today.